Ever wondered how some people are making millions from YouTube? Think it's too complicated or out of reach? Well, it's not. Today, we're going to crack open the secret to earning a hefty income from YouTube by following some simple criteria. So why wait? Let's dive in. Firstly, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, which is YouTube's official earning program. To be eligible for YPP, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel in the past 12 months. The next step is to create high-quality videos. Your videos need to have good editing, sound, and interesting content to attract viewers. Focus on making videos on trending topics. Choose topics that people are interested in and are in high demand. Tools like YouTube Trends and Google Trends can help you find these trending topics. Keep SEO in mind. Use the right keywords in your video title, description, and tags so that people can easily find your videos. Make your thumbnails attractive. An appealing thumbnail can help draw viewers in. Upload videos consistently. Regular uploads help keep your audience engaged, interact with your audience, respond to comments, live stream, and find other ways to connect with your viewers. Be patient. Earnings from YouTube don't happen overnight. Keep working hard and stay patient. Explore other ways to earn. Apart from YPP, you can earn by showing ads in your videos, doing brand deals, and selling merchandise. Follow the legal guidelines. It's important to adhere to YouTube's community guidelines and copyright laws. Now let's hear a success story of a YouTuber. Dhruv Rathi started his YouTube channel just a few years ago. He used to make videos on explanations. Initially, he faced some challenges, but he didn't give up and kept working hard. Gradually, people started liking his videos, and the number of subscribers on his channel began to increase. Today, he earns millions from YouTube. So, if you dream of earning millions from YouTube, don't lose heart. Keep working hard and stay patient. You too can become a successful YouTuber. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you soon with a new video. Thank you.